Okay, here's a good question. They ask to find this stuff. They say, what's the vertex? They want the axis symmetry. They want a max and a min and what that value is. And finally, they want you to graph the function. Okay, so a couple of things that you can do with this. Couple of things I know already. If this is positive, that means it's a parabola that looks like that. It also, this last number, when it's written in the ax squared plus bx plus c form, that last number is the y-intercept. So in terms of graphing this, I know quite a bit about information about it already. So I've got a positive 12, that's the y-intercept. I could also factor this one quickly. I think it'd be minus 3 and minus 4. And so if I set y to be 0, then that would happen at an x value of 3 and an x value of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are two x-intercepts for the graph. So the graph's coming like this, it goes down and then comes back up. It's not a very good looking one, but you get the idea. So I know that about it, but they want to know the vertex, and that's this point right down there. So it's not the x-intercepts. You don't really need to find those for this question. They want you to find the vertex. So to find the vertex, a couple of different ways. You can complete the square with that function there, or you can use that formula. So to find the x value of the vertex, you take minus b and divide it by 2a. So minus b divided by 2a. So b is this thing here, so it'd be a negative 7, divided by a is the number in front of the x squared, which would be a 1. So it'd be a positive 7 divided by 2, or you could write it as 7 halves or 3.5. So that would be the x value of the vertex. So that point right there, that one up there, the x value would be 3.5. And that makes sense, because if this is 3 and this is 4, it makes sense that the vertex is sort of halfway between there. Okay, but now I want to know what the y value of that is. So to find the y value, you take this x value and you plug it in everywhere you see an x up there. So here's my function, f of x equals x squared minus 7x plus 12. And I'm going to figure out what the value of the function is when I put a 3.5 in there. Maybe I'll make it a 7 over 2. It's the same thing. I'll just leave it in fraction land. Squared minus 7 times 7 over 2 plus 12. So that'd be 49 over 4 minus 49 over 2 plus 12. So that would be, 49 over 4, negative 49 over 4, I think, plus 12. So I think that comes out to negative a quarter. You could do that on your calculator, but I think it comes out to that. So this is negative 1/4, or 3.5 and negative 0.25. So that point right there where it comes down is this point here. And that gives me all the information I need to know for A, B, C, and D. I guess I've graphed it already. Since it's coming down this point, that minimum, or that vertex is going to be a minimum point. And the minimum, the lowest that graph gets to, is a negative 0.25. So y equals negative 0.25. Axis of symmetry is this line that cuts it in half. And that's always the x value, so x equals 3.5. And the vertex, we already have that, 3.5 and negative 0.25. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.